Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change language on imToken. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your imToken application from your app drawer. Once you're inside your wallet, go ahead and tap on My Profile at the bottom right. Tap on the Settings button from the My Profile options. Tap on Languages from the list. Then, go ahead and select the language of your preference from the list available. Once you've made your selection, click on Save at the top right corner and you will be able to change your language setting for your wallet. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.